Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video, just a Christmas message to you all guys, in a retrospective look at the projects that I've done in 2019 for my workshop, the ones that brought me the most joy and the ones that actually I love having in my workshop. Check out the video. As we are just around the corner of Christmas, I would like to wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, fantastic time with your family, and you know, maybe a few hours in the workshop, you never know. So have a great Christmas guys. I hope you enjoy this fantastic time with your family, and maybe, you know, who knows, maybe Santa will be generous to you and you'll get what you really wanted, that fantastic tool or whatever it may be. So yeah guys, Happy Christmas. I would also like to thank you, my Patreon supporters, in supporting me in what I do, my woodworking DIYer's journey. So thank you for supporting me. So massive thank you to these fantastic people. Thank you for your support. Every dollar really counts, and it helps me to bring new content to you guys, to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you're not following me on those medias and you actually got an account with Instagram, check it out, because I do post different type of content there, so it may be something that you would be interested in. Links to all my social medias, as always, are down below in the description of this video. But yeah, thank you to these awesome people for supporting me. Again, if you want to support me as well and you don't know what Patreon is, basically it's a medium for makers like myself on YouTube or any other medias really. The link to my Patreon account is down below, so have a read, check out my Patreon account. If you've got any spare $2, that would greatly help me and you know, supporting the channel. If you decide to do that, thank you very much. So 2019 was actually a very important year for me and for my workshop. I'm planning to make a video of before I've started the change of my workshop. Some of you that have been with me a long time will know that well, it was a pretty messy environment, and now it's a fairly decent shop that I'm quite happy with. So in this video I'm going to just show you a few of the projects that allow me to transform my workshop in what it is now, and the ones that I've actually enjoyed making and made the biggest difference in my workshop. And in next year, after the new year, next year, it's not that far away really, is it? Probably in the second week of Jan, yeah, I'm gonna do my workshop tour, so you can check out how it is now, and what it was probably about 12 months ago when I've started the transformation of this workspace. And maybe it will give you a bit of an inspiration of what you can do and achieve in your workshop. But I have to say, it wasn't a quick and simple process. At the start of this year, I thought to myself, tell you what, I'll take a month, maybe a month and a half to redo it all. Well, 12 months later, and I'm still in the process of changing my workshop. One thing that I've learned, it's an ongoing process. It never ends, because you add one thing and then you think about another thing that you can add to your workshop, change it a little bit or improve it. So yeah, it's definitely an ongoing process guys. Well yeah, check out the projects I've made this year that I'm most happy with in my workshop. And if you want to see the full versions of those videos, I'll drop the link to all of them down below in the description of this video. And I wish you the most fantastic Christmas you can ever imagine. Have fantastic time with your family. Check out the rest of the video.